First, we saute onions, then this garlics and ginger. Then this coriander seeds, grinded coriander seeds. After saute onions, then garlic and ginger, then we put this vegetables, stock of garlic and coriander leaves. And then we put also masala, turmeric powder and chili powder. And tomato also, we put also 1 piece of slices of tomatoes. Now we'll add this diluted basin with water. Now we'll put now this juice of yogurt or nasi or laban. So this is curry pakora, and then it will cook this one, it will become half. This still to cook more this one. You can add also green chilies, optional. And then if you have this pumpkin or they call it pumpkin hair escado, then you can put also hair slices of pumpkin. But I don't have, so I use only organic leaves or stalk of garlics and this coriander leaves. I go there down and get there down in our field. So this good also for chapati, much better chapati or roti or pupos. And rice also, you can eat also with rice. Before also I cook curry pakora, so by this time is curry vegetables. And this is very common dish in villages of Pakistan nationwide. And this is made of organic yogurt, juice of yogurt or laban. We call it laban in Arabic. Or lassi here in our village. Ito na yung vegetable curry. Kanina hanggang dito. So, halos kalahati na. Oh. Luto na ito. Ayan. Itong color niya ay because of turmeric powder at saka yung basin ba yung ginagawang pakora o kaya yung gram powder. Speaking of pakora pala, malapit na naman ang Ramadan. Next month, inshallah, mga 17 yata, start ng Ramadan, inshallah. So, done my dinner with rice. Ayan yung aking rice na sinaing kagabi kasi kagabi nagluto ako ng kahapon nagluto ako ng red kidney beans curry, so may pabahaw. Hindi ko na ito pinainit kasi mainit itong vegetable curry. Masarap din ito, parang ito yung pinaka nila sopas. Ayan. Sila kay kumain na din pero chapati yung kinain niya. Ayan, dalawa yung kinain niya. So bali itong natira ay kay Fahad at kay Fatma. Si Langga kumain na din. Ayan. So, itong aking niloto hanggang bukas pa ito ng tanghali, itong ulam namin. Ayan. Masarap din kasi hindi masyado maanghang, hindi spicy pa. Masarap. Parang din sopas. Parang soup ba? Yung sabaw-sabaw. So, bali ito yung pinaka nila, common na ulam dito sa village. Lahat ng villages dito sa Pakistan nationwide. Lalong-lalo na yung may mga alaga na baka o kaya buffalo. Ito talaga yung niluluto nila. So yung nagbigay nito yung sa taas namin kasi may alaga siyang baka. Nagbigay siya ng laban o kaya yung lassi. Kain tayo ng lunch. Ito yung vegetable curry. Ito na lang yung natira. Nilipat ko dito. Kasi binigay ko yung iba sa kapitbahay. Isang bowl na ganito. So, bali ang chapati ngayon kasi kagabi ang inulam ko ay yung yung kanin. So ngayon chapati. Pero isa lang chapati ang kakainin ko. Ganyan yan siya. Kain tayo. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Parang sopas. Pinainit ko na lang ito. Itong chapati bagong gawa. Masarap din ulam sa kanin.